My name is Regina Krugliak.
And my name is Anna Santilleri.
And we are the founders of Revision Education. Our mission is to provide teachers with training, mentorship, and resources to facilitate outdoor learning for underserved high school youth through fellowships.
When COVID shut down schools, it pushed educators to redefine where school takes place. COVID highlighted the overwhelming inequities that exist in our education system and have been further exacerbated by the pandemic. It's clear that what we are doing to educate particularly students of color and students in poverty is not working. Therefore, we can't return to a normal for school when that normal isn't effectively educating all students.
Research shows that bringing students outside is one essential tool in alleviating some of these inequities.
Students who learn outside during class are more likely to be engaged in curriculum, experience fewer discipline issues, are less stressed, and all in all perform better across all subjects.
Our goal is to break down the barriers and challenges faced by developing structures, curriculums, and programs for teachers who are interested in consistently taking students outside, but just don't know where to start.
The idea for these fellowships came from our experiences as classroom, outdoor, and experiential educators.
I used to run class-wide camping trips to teach the next generation science standards. In addition, I've always loved building tiny homes. This is a project where the entire class is outside constructing homes for their community as a way to learn physics and engineering.
I brought students outside to build community and provide a more engaging environment for reading and discussion. In addition, I implemented a writing curriculum that emphasized building connections between students and the outdoors.
We both saw increased engagement, self-confidence, and focus, particularly from students with different learning profiles that typically struggled in the classroom. A study titled The Behavioral Effects of Learning Outdoors claims that not only does it provide students with better self-confidence, concentration, knowledge retention, and comprehension, but also helps with social, language, communicative, and physical skills.
In many private and affluent schools, teachers have been taking their students outdoors for years. Yet, in Title I schools predominantly serving youth of color, where there is increased pressure to hit standards, it's viewed as challenging, time-consuming, and therefore not worth it. Similarly, elementary school teachers are far more likely to take students outside than high school teachers because the outdoors are seen only as a place of play.
Our solution is a paid fellowship series that provides Title I Bay Area high school teachers with training, resources, and one-on-one support in getting students outside and involved with their community. Revision Education will consist of 2 fellowships, Get Outside and Stay Outside. Get Outside is a weekend intensive with monthly follow-ups aimed at supporting and educating teachers in moving their classes outdoors.
The Stay Outside Fellowship is ongoing training for teachers who want to develop consistent elective or after-school outdoor programming. We will work with teachers to develop student-led outdoor leadership programming with a focus on sustainability.
Too often, programs die once the founding teacher leaves. Revision Education is unique in that student leadership is at the core of the Stay Outside Fellowship.
Both fellowships are paid with an integrated approach of pitching administration, developing a risk mitigation plan, and logistics. Revision Education is designed to be truly culturally responsive. We will not be telling teachers what to do, but rather provide examples and give ample opportunities to brainstorm their own solution, action plan, and follow-through. Every group of students is unique, but the outdoors is transformative for all.